Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to mute the post of a particular account on Instagram. You're tired of watching someone post and you want to mute them. So don't worry, because I'm going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right and go for the chat to whom you want to mute the post. Just simply tap on it and tap on its username on the top right, and tap on following, and here you can see a mute option. Just simply tap on it. Here you can see the two options, post and story. If you want to mute the post, just simply toggle on this option. If you also want to mute the stories, just simply toggle on this option too. So that's how you can easily mute the post of a particular account on Instagram. So now you have changed your mind, you won't see your post. So how to unmute them, let me show you. Come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, you can see the option of muted accounts. Just simply tap on it, and then here it will show you all of the accounts which you have muted, the post or stories or notes or whatever. Now if you want to unmute, then just simply tap on this unmute. So here you can see the three options: post, stories, and mute. You can just simply toggle off this option in order to unmute it, and you can also just simply mute specific post or like stories. So that's how you can easily mute someone's post on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. And I will recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys.